For this quick and simple, oil-free, creamy, plant-based 3-ingredient blueberry salad dressing, pick up a box of non-GMO organic silken tofu, the one that's soft. Drain the excess water off. Slice into cubes and place in a food processor or blender. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos for a splash of sweet and salty yumminess. Add 1.5 cups of blueberries. I like to use frozen because it's a really good price. Blend on low, gradually increasing the speed. You may need to stir it and blend a second time until smooth. The consistency should look like this. Pour into a glass jar. Look at this gorgeous purple color. This lasts up to 5 days in the fridge. Drizzle or pour on a salad to make salads yummy again. I like to add seasoned ground flax seeds for a boost of crunchy omega-3 healthy fats. Make sure to cover and keep in your refrigerator. It's pretty and delicious. Recipe and the YouTube description below. Let's take a taste. Mmm, so good. Now I love salad. You might also like these gluten-free banana oat carrot spice muffins or this hearty coconut soup with potatoes, carrots, tofu, and rice. I'll put those on the end screen if you want to watch those videos. Let me know if you have any questions. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.